Well, good morning, all of you. How about you? Huh? How about you? Yeah, thank you so much. Respected Principal Madam of the Primary Wing and all my wonderful teaching faculty. First, I extend my congratulations to all my young chops. Even at the time of academic song of Telangana, really though you have been tested by power, it has given some pass. But my children of primary absolutely continued, look like the soldiers of India. That's a good sign. That's a good sign. You are having a president of a great discussion, and I thank you very much. I expected what my children are going to do because of test of God. You proved yourself as a beautiful pupil of God, right? Devotee of God. I really feel very happy now. May God bless you all. And moreover, very good strength. Already one word she is repeating at the time of prayer. Respect. Right? For being a student, what is our duty to respect? First you respect your duty. What is your duty, right? Yes, your duty is a student. Concentrating on education is your duty. If anybody asks you, for example, if anybody asks you, madam, what is your profession? You say, I am a teacher. But I also say I am a teacher. But what is your profession? I am a student. Say loudly. What is your profession? Boys and girls, what is your profession? I am not getting that much happiness by your words. What is your profession? Loudly, what is your profession? Once again, very good. Now you are just reaching. What is your profession? Say proudly, loudly, by keeping your head high. Yes, I am a student. Student meant to say, everybody will give respect. Definitely, student is having a beautiful platform in the society. That's the reason my children are supposed to maintain a wonderful temple. So the children, the child who is going to be called as a student, first and the foremost thing, we should be disciplined like this wonderful dress code. Right now, wonderful dress code. I appreciate, rather than you, I want to appreciate my teaching family first. Everybody has come over here along with their wonderful apparel that indicates love towards our profession. Love towards our profession, it is being followed by the students also. I extend my congratulations to Hindu and our Parivar. Yes, it is our duty. With the help of this wonderful dress code, you will get some identification. You will get some respect. You will get some honor for the society. And no one, for example, if you are coming to school with this uniform, definitely the posture of your elders will be different one. Where are you going? They will ask you. Am I correct or not? If you come with the short and t-shirt, then you will absolutely come see student. ఎటు పోతున్నావు అల్లగాడని పోతున్నావు So you are carrying textbooks, your bag, to be bought this and right now. So you are good children. Once again I request you all, please be in the school 8:30 to 8:40. Every child should enjoy assembly proceedings because it is the first and the foremost duty of every student. Assembly proceeding is nothing but your mom and dad, you are giving respect to your mom and dad indirectly. It is the heart of our school program. I request every boy and girl should come. What is your actual time? 8:30 sharp. 8:30 sharp, you should be in school premises. You go and frame yourself. I request all my 5th class boys and girls, escort your juniors. You should behave like a senior students of primary wing. Your madams fought with me without weapons, without AK-47. No, we need our 5th class students in primary bag only. That much crazy they are having towards you. Just to say congrats, thanks to all your teachers, all 5th class, everybody, very low, you know. Your primary black is going to be special in JGHS premises. Even IIT, even non-IIT also. Your black absolutely look like your sweet smile. You know, look like your sweet smile. It is getting decorated. Even toilets, washrooms, even every room has been given beautiful white wash like Hari Krishna sir. Right? Anyway, good children.